Yo, day 3 of Road to a 5-figure payout. As you can see, today was a winner. It was a fire day. Alright. I'll be breaking down my thought process for the day and my bias and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Start with the higher time frame. We were trending bearish, the 4-hour. We were trending very bearish on the 4-hour. We were inside of this daily gap, but I was low-key still bearish despite the daily gap because the 4-hour was just looking so bearish. Drop down to the 15-minute next, I think. Yeah. So the 15-minute, we had London lows here resting with all of this LR on the higher time frame. All this LR, right? So originally, before market open, I had kind of a mixed bias. We had data lows here, so I was looking for like a long up to previous London high and previous day high, or just this pre-market buy side right here because we were forming LR. Market open, we dumped, took out data lows, which is what I wanted, into a 15-minute as well, I think. Yeah, into this 15-minute as well, this one. So I originally wanted longs back up to the pre-market highs, but we pumped, we took out internal highs, so longs weren't really valid anymore. And then I saw ES over here. ES came up and just took out previous London highs, which is this high, and the pre-market high. So these were my main two draws. Previous day high, which is there. I didn't think we were gonna get up there, but if we did, that would have been cool too. So we had an SMT with London high and pre-market highs. And then this was 10 a.m. I was looking for a 10 a.m. open high, low close. We were just chopping, right? So we had SMT, 10 a.m. opened high. And then we got two displacing candles inversing this gap and this gap. So when there is a leg with two fair value gaps in it, you would either go to the higher time frame to see if there were any higher time frame gaps. Like today we had this 3-minute, but I want to take the 1-minute because of the displacement. Like if these two candles were displacing this hard, the next candle is probably going to take an internal low as well, right? So I was taking the 1-minute inverse down to this 15-minute intermediate low, because this low tapped into a 15-minute gap over here, and then we got displacement above. So this became an intermediate term low, right? I was targeting this. I could have targeted London, but I was just going for the low hanging fruit for the day. Just this market open low, 15-minute intermediate term low. Break even would be at the accumulation zone low right here. This was a PDI model, pre-distribution inversion. If you don't know what that is, pre-distribution inversion is it's AMD. It's just chop, accumulation, then manipulation, and then distribution. This would be like the inverse here, the inverse before the distribution. That was the model for today. Really clear setup, really A+. I really like this. I risked 0.6%. This was a 1 to 1.6 R. I had a bad fill because when I entered, the candle just shot down immediately. It would have been like a 1 to 2, okay, 1 to 1.8. But yeah, this was a really good trade for the day. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Ended the week off green. The loss yesterday was made up for. The break even was made up for as well. So you just have to be in the market. You just have to be patient and wait for setups like these to show itself. and then bank. Yeah, that's all for today. I got work in like 20 minutes, so I'll see y'all on Monday. Or if I feel like it, I might do a weekly recap tomorrow or something. I'm not sure, but all right, peace.